What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get 5 free domains without any cost. So further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay guys, now you can see my computer screen. Now let's get 5 free domains without any cost. First of all, open up your browser and search on Google freenom. Then go to this website freenom.com. Then click here, find a new free domain and search here for your domain. Let's say Mehdi Shakil. Then click on check availability. You can see it's showing me 5 free domains: medishakil.tk, medishakil.ml, .ga, .cf and .zq. Now you cannot click on get it now to select those domain. There is a trick you have to follow to get all of these 5 domain. You need to type here your domain again, medishakil.tk. Then click on check availability. You can see this domain is now selected. Now again click here and type medishakil.ml. Then again click on check availability. Now you can see 2 domain are selected. Now like this, type all of this domain name. Now you can see 5 domain in cart. And after that, click on checkout. Now it will take you to this page. Here you can see we have 5 domains selected. And here you can see 3 months for free. Now click on this drop down menu and select for 12 month free. Do this for all of this domain. Then click on continue. Now you can see the cost is $0. Now here you will get to sign in or sign up an account. You can use your email address or you can just use sign with Google. Here you can see a verification mail is sent to my Gmail. Open it. Then click on this link. Fill up this form. Then click on I have agreed. Then click on complete order. Now here you can see I have 5 free domains in my account. Now remember guys, whenever you click on complete order, it may show you some error on your web browser. So you don't need to get worried. Just take another tab and again visit to freenom.com and sign in with your Google account. Then make sure to scroll down and click on my domains from here. Remember, do not click on my domains from the service section and my domains. Just log into your account, scroll down and click on my domains. And you will see your 5 domain on your account like me. So guys, like this you can easily get 5 free domains for 1 year using this freenom.com. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil. You are watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing out.